Latest trends in enterprise application development in 2022. Why have business enterprise applications become so popular? No matter how big the organization is, enterprise mobile application development and integration simplify departmental tasks to provide better operational and business process management. It also automates and accelerates internal communications to bring everyone on the same page. Depending on their function and primary users, enterprise applications can be either internal or external. Now, let's talk about the major enterprise application development trends in 2022. Low-code application platforms. DevOps. IoT platforms. Hyper-automation in software. Intelligent business applications. Blockchain for business apps. AI-augmented software engineering. Remote collaboration. For more such information, subscribe to our channel.